A great teacher always inspires learners. This is Teacher Evelyn. Teaching can bring me excitement and satisfaction to oneself and to my students. Hello and good morning. Welcome to our online class. I'll be teaching Science 8. Class, we are now on our second week of fourth quarter. See, we are almost to end the school year without even noticing. I am always excited for the knowledge, the ideas that was shared with you class. You are indeed my inspiration to have all these things prepared. You know, class, your great ideas, the knowledge, how you answer questions, how you did your assignments always amaze me. And that keeps me going. So, are you ready for today's lesson? Then join me in. Our topic for today is all about enzymes. So, the function of enzymes in the digestive system. Our learning objectives at the end of the lesson, the student shall be able to explain the action of enzymes as catalysts and how it helps in digestion. Practice moderation, especially in intake of food and drinks. Actually, class, this is just a continuation of our previous topic about digestive system, okay? What is the role of digestive enzymes in the digestive process? Okay, enzymes are organic catalysts, meaning they initiate or speed up chemical reactions. They work well in temperature ranging from 300 to 400 degrees Celsius. Raw diets such as vegetable salads, fruit nuts, vegetables, and fruit juices are rich with enzymes that hasten the chemical breakdown of food. Enzymes are biological molecules, typically proteins, that significantly speed up the rate of virtually all of the chemical reactions that take place within the cells. They are vital for life and serve a wide range of important functions in the body, such as aiding in digestion and metabolism. So, how do enzymes function? Enzymes perform the critical task of lowering a reaction activation energy. That is, the amount of energy that must be put in for the reaction to begin. So enzymes work by binding to reactant molecules and holding them in such a way that the chemical bond breaking the bond forming processes take place more readily. So there are four functions of enzymes. Enzymes catalyze all kinds of chemical reactions that are involved in growth, blood coagulation, healing, diseases, breathing, digestion, reproduction, and many other biological activities. So imagine without enzymes, then things that the body needs, like nutrition, cannot be broken down into simple substance without the help of enzymes. So we have here some examples of an enzyme. So we have lipases, a group of enzymes that help digest fats in the gut. The amylase, this helps change starches into sugars. Then we have the maltase, also found in our saliva. It breaks the sugar maltose into glucose. Then we have the trypsin. So trypsin found in the small intestine, and this breaks protein down into amino acids. Okay? So do not forget there's a specific enzymes which help in digestion process. Now, digestive enzymes are classified based on the substance they work. So table 1 gives us the summary of the specific enzymes which will act on specific food molecule and break down to simple soluble end product. So class, try to have a look on this. So you have here the food molecule, carbohydrates, proteins, lipids or fats, then the nucleic acid, and their specific enzymes, and so will the end product of the food molecules. So please follow the table. Okay? Now, this will be for your activity. This activity is entitled, You Broke and Tore Me Apart. So for the directions, complete how the piece of bread is chemically digested by simply filling up the blanks with appropriate words from the box. So the word in the box, these are the words to be used. Starts the maltose, the maltase, simple sugar, and the thiolene. Here is a simple letter from your favorite bread. Dear customer, you said you really like me. I remember how you got me fresh from oven with my natural flavor, color, texture, and my irresistible smell. You took a big bite and another bite. Then you chewed. A saliva comes out which contains the blank. Okay, class, this blank you will have to answer this and you choose the answer from the previous slide and mixes with me. The blank and me was partially broken down too. Then it passed through the pharynx, esophagus, spin round and round by stomach, and eventually, after a roller coaster ride, reaches the small intestine, where the enzymes from the small intestine and pancreas join forces to finally broke it down to blank. Hope that I helped you restore your strength and made you whole again. Signed, Mona Lisa, your favorite bread. For the next activity, it is entitled, Why Do I Need to Intake Water? Directions. Study and analyze the figure on the next slides and answer the questions. So you can use a separate sheet for the answer. For question number 1, how much water do I need to intake every day? 2. What is the amount of water reabsorption happen? Number 3. Where does most water is eliminated by my body? 4. How much water is eliminated by my body? 5. How important is water in the normal functioning of my body? Okay, so class, please try to answer all the questions, okay? So this is now the figure or the diagram that you are supposed to study. Okay, now, why is it water is important? Our body uses water in all its cells, organs, and tissues to help regulate temperature and maintain other bodily functions. Because our body loses water through breathing, sweating, and digestion. It is important to rehydrate by drinking fluids and eating foods that contain water. So class, it is really advisable to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses a day. So this can somehow help us rehydrating the losses of water in our body. Okay, so before I'll end our discussion, class, I would like to inform you that the assignments or your assignments and the quizzes were uploaded in your LCMS. So what you have to do is to log in your account, then go to our learning path and answer all the tests and do the assignments, then upload it. Okay? So, thank you and God bless us all.